Hey guys, this is a quick video to show you how we clean our fiberglass tub, and then we answer the question, how do fingernails affect the top coat? So let's get into it. So another question that people ask in the comments is, what do you use to clean the fiberglass tub now that you've put the marine paint on it? And so at first I was using this method, all-purpose cleaner in pink grapefruit, and literally I can't find any more. So during COVID and these last couple of months, we have been just using Lysol because it kills bacteria. It's a harsher cleaner, but that's what we've kind of been using, and the tub has been doing well with it. So I'll show you how I clean it and what it looks like.
All you really need is a non-scratch sponge and a cleaning toothbrush. At the end, I'll show you what we use the microfiber cloth for. I like to spray a little cleaner first and then use a wet sponge. I actually prefer the Method all-purpose cleaner because it's plant-based and biodegradable, and it cleans just as well as the Lysol with a nice smell. However, either one works well for this fiberglass tub. My cleaning method may be a little bit different. I clean in little small sections and start with the back of the tub first. This may be because my bathroom is not well ventilated, so I like to use the cleaner and then rinse it off, and then I can tell like any spots that I've missed. I kind of clean the visible spots of dirt first, and then I kind of go back and go over the whole tub. I guess you could call this a casual cleaning method. I mostly use the soft side of the sponge and only turn it over if I need a little extra scrubbing power.
I actually think that cleaning this with the cleaner, cleaning the fiberglass with the topside paint is making it easier for dirt and soap scum to come off.
Is this just our experience? Let me know in the comments. Has it been easier for you to clean your tub now that it's been refinished or painted? For us, it's been a noticeable difference. We have not needed to use abrasive cleaners or rough bristles to really get our tub nice and clean.
Let's see how it handles the soap scum over here. Kind of go all around here. Work our way down.
Now I move to the front of the tub, and this is where I'll use my cleaning toothbrush to get into all the crevices.
I'm going to get around here with the toothbrush, trying to get the grime out. This is where we did the patch. If you guys remember in the video where the fiberglass was damaged, and it still looks good. It's holding up very well. So we are happy about that.
And just like in our tub refresh video, for our chrome and metal bath fixtures, we love using this car product with our microfiber cloth. This helps us smooth and polish the finish. Doesn't that look so much better? And I'll leave links to the products in the description. And then I do a final rinse and a wipe down of the entire tub and shower surround.
For the most part, the integrity of the tub and the material has held up so well. As far as the coloring, we do feel like there was some fading. So it's not the bright white that we had originally. I think what we'll do in probably a few months is just add another coat of the bright white. We just refresh it right back up. An interesting question was, will it peel with fingernails? Now, I don't have like a lot of fingernails, but we'll try.
Yeah.
So after 2 years,
I have a little bit.
I'm scraping it, and there.
Look at that.
The texture is. It's nice. I don't know what that stuff is made out of.
Yeah.
The primer and top coat, but it works well with fiberglass. I want to remind you guys to follow us on social media. Make sure you are subscribed. We have a lot of home improvement ideas for you, and I'll see you in the next video.